The court decision came as a surprise to many. Uber and its regional competitor Careem have been operating for 4 years and had gained a lot of popularity.
People prefer Uber and Careem because it's safer dealing with well-trained drivers who treat you with respect and you know what you're paying, unlike other taxi drivers.
In Uber and Careem, you are treated as if you own the car. Excellent service, and you know how much you will pay even before you take the ride. Taxi drivers are rough and always fight over the cost because they don't have a fixed fare.
The court case stipulates that the two companies should not be operating because it's illegal for private cars to operate commercially.
Taxi drivers filed a case saying they were affected by the presence of the competitive companies and that these companies, which are working illegally in Egypt, have damaged the income of the traditional taxi drivers. The court rule is in the first stage but could be enforced if the companies don't appeal.
There are about 50,000 drivers and many of them are worried. Ahmed relies completely on his income from Uber to sustain his family.
This decision will destroy us. Why close down the company? Tell me to pay more taxes and I will pay, and adjust our contracts to make the business more viable to operate. That's fine. But don't close down. I used to work in the tourism industry and I lost my job after tourism was hit.
Uber representatives have turned down all interview requests. However, they issued a statement saying the company will not close down yet and they will appeal. Last year, the government had issued a draft law to legalize taxi-hailing companies.
The government found that Uber and Careem have invested over $2 billion and that their project has solved a lot of traffic problems for Egyptians. The draft law is aimed at legalizing their existence. They will be under the authority of the Ministry of Transport and the Investment Authority, especially since they were very successful in the UAE, Saudi Arabia and Lebanon.
The draft law issued by the government has not been ratified yet by Parliament. If approved, then the court case will be worthless and companies like Uber would be allowed to continue work in the country legally. Yasser Hakim for CGTN, Cairo.